Echoes of Robert Lee Frost. A Journey Through the Ordinary. Listen to the story carefully. Story 16. The Housekeeper. Morning light spilled over the kitchen and I found her moving through the rooms like a quiet song. She dusted shelves, polished counters and made beds with care. Each motion steady and practiced, yet gentle. I watched from the doorway, coffee in hand, thinking how her work stitched life together, thread by invisible thread. Outside, the wind rattled windows. But inside, everything held a calm rhythm. Sweeping, washing, setting things right. She paused to water plants, humming softly, and I realized she knew more about this house than anyone. Keeping memories alive in corners I had long forgotten. Afternoon came, chores completed, and she straightened her apron, smiling faintly, knowing her presence made ordinary life possible. I felt gratitude settle in my chest like sunlight through glass, realizing that quiet devotion often shapes a home more than grand gestures ever could. Now listen to the poem. Morning light fills every room. She moves with care, dispelling gloom. Dust is brushed, counters shine, beds are made in steady line. Each motion threads life together, calm persists in stormy weather. Watered plants hum in her care, memories linger softly there. Chores complete, apron straight, her presence carries home's weight. Quiet work, unseen but true, shapes a world I never knew. Gratitude rests in sunlight's glow, homes are held by hearts that know.